Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this basic video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro course, and in this video I will show you how you can install Adobe Premiere Pro in your PC. So no further discussion, just let's get started. Open your browser and we need to do a quick Google search for Get Into PC and click on the first link, and the website opens, and in the search box you search for Premiere Pro and hit the enter, and you find a couple of matching results, and you need to click on Adobe Premiere Pro CC download. Click on it and you will find a page like this. Now you need to scroll down a little bit and find the download option and click on it, and just wait for a while to take the process. So as you can see, the download has already been started, and when it completes you will find this folder in your PC like a zip folder. You need to unzip the folder with WinRAR software. If you don't know what is WinRAR and how to install it, you can do a quick Google search on it and let the file extract. When you have completed extracting, you can find a folder where you will find the installations file. So you need to click on this folder, open it, and you can find a setup.exe right here. So you need to just choose a directory and you need to click on continue. So it will take some time to install depending on your processor power. When you have done with your installation process, you are ready to go with Premiere Pro, and the Premiere Pro is up and running, as you can see. Thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you up on the next one. If you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.